Hi, my name is Rico and I'm the designer at Titanium, and I've got a new pedal system I want to tell you about. Did you ever unintentionally unclip your foot from a pedal, pulling up too hard mid-sprint or perhaps mid-air during an epic jump? No more with Titanium Mai-Tai Clipless pedals, with our patent-pending blade fader technology. Our blade fader design lets you clip in intuitively by kicking your shoe forwards into the pedal in one swooping motion. For safe and stable retention, our cleats only release sideways. An open design makes Mai-Tai pedals still work well in the nastiest weather and grimiest conditions. The stiff axle, ultra-low stack height and high load capacity bearings together provide incredible stability and help you become truly connected with your bike. A simple yet unimaginably strong design with fewer parts and fewer failure points is possible only through Element 22's patented additive manufacturing processes and the incredible strength and toughness of 6Al4V titanium, a material widely used in airplanes and dental and surgical implants.
The 3D printing technologies that are available evolved over the last 10-15 years, but it really took a huge leap in the last 12 months when the sinter-based 3D printing technologies became available. And we chose a technology that's relatively new, but it's based on existing printing technologies. So what we do, we adapt new materials and put it on existing printers to manufacture these products. So this is just became available half a year ago. It's the perfect timing to use it.
The first thing that you feel when stepping on the bike is how easy it clicks in, but it has a firm click in. Gives you good float, and also the clicking out is a very noticeable click.
Clipped in, they're amazingly solid, and if you look at the shaft, you see how thick it is. That's not going to snap anywhere soon.
Do you want to be the first to experience and benefit from our pedals with revolutionary blade fader technology? Become part of our journey and back us to help bring the Titanium brand to life and our 3D printed Titanium Mai-Tai pedals to the market.